thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay in balance, keep it a beam. When they be mad, I be on a steam. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a steam. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting up beams.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lame niggas, baby. I just need a love. Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. You start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, heavy breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy. I can get it to you right, baby. I wanna be healing. I can be real good. Please don't get any feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Link up, I'll roll through the hood. Problems, but everything's all good. My love, your nigga doesn't want smoke with me. Nah, no way. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and patient. Submission, domination. Watch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke. That's my best combination. You just need some dig with no complications. You just need some. You just need some late night attention, unconditioned. All that you're missing, my babe. Fucked up, shouldn't even have to justify. I get it, I'm on your side. Guys get their way all the time. Besides, imagine I'm meant for one side. You should just do what's best for your mind. How about I just take my time? You call up my line, I fall up inside you. Girls need love too, I know.
What's a girl to do? She needs
Hey guys, so it is Monday. I know I didn't speak to you guys on Saturday, And yesterday I didn't shoot anything because I wasn't home most of the day, and when I came back I was just doing schoolwork. So I'm going to include today because I feel like the vlog isn't long enough. It isn't long enough. Like just Friday and Saturday's footage isn't long enough. So today is Monday, we're going to campus, and yeah, right now I'm going to clean my room. If you guys see my room, it's a mess. You're gonna see it because I'm gonna like time lapse me cleaning it, but my room is such a mess. I need to clean this up. It's currently 9 o'clock. I have a tutorial at 10, so I need to hurry up, clean up my room, pack my bag, and get to campus. So yeah.
This one I better do with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that, da. The cover my face, calling me la ba da. Biggie man, we know they wear a ba da. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I no feet, ride for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I no feet, ride for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive where we face. Just to make sure money, yeah. But my people they go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I no feet, ride for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a son, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me. What's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I no feet, die for nothing.
Hey guys, it's much later in the day. It's 4:30, and my friends and I are going to the beach because one thing about us this year, we believe in the beach. So I'm going to take a jammy to Tebokos, and then we're gonna leave from there. We're gonna go watch the sunset at the beach, and that's probably gonna be the end of the vlog because I need to edit and upload this on Wednesday. So yeah, so it's either I'll end the vlog like after the beach, or when I come back. I'm planning on working, so probably after, like, when I go to bed, that's when I'll end the vlog, but I'll decide on that. And then yeah, but I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog thus far, and I hope you guys are liking it. If you are, please like if you haven't, and please comment as well. Whatever you want to comment, just comment it down below. So yeah,
Hey, hey, oh, 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 and I can't, and off the bone, and off the bone, and hello. So presently I'm standing here right now, you're so demanding. Tell me what you want from me. Concentrating on my music lover and my babies. Let me wanna ask you lady for a ticket out of town.